Hello again. I'm back. I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, if you don't know me. And before we go on or get started, why don't you hit that subscribe button that's down below so that you can receive the next video that I do. Uh, what I want to talk to you about today is affiliate marketing. There's big money being made in affiliate marketing. And down through the years, I've been in different programs. I made some money here and made money there and didn't make money here or there. But in order to continue on raking in an income from affiliate marketing or MLM or whatever, you can't quit. You can't give up. So here it is. People are making thousands of dollars a month in this program that I want to present to you today. And in order to see what I'm talking about, you have to put your name and email address and phone number in, and it will take you over to a video that will show you the proof. It say found out how you could make up to 1,000 in online commission starting today. Make money even while you're asleep, on vacation, or out fishing. How would you feel about starting a new exciting business from your own sweet home? And I'm going to revise that. It says from you, but I'm going to make that your home. But anyway, this is a capture page that I have created, and I'm promoting affiliated marketing, affiliated programs to gain commissions off of these programs. And you can do the same thing. I'm using this system called the Conversion Pros, but I want to show you a system that this young man is showing the world how they can start making this type of money by working just 20 minutes up to an hour a day. And it's so exciting to see different programs out there where people are actually making money. And if you would like to see the proof, just put your information in there and click the take the free tool, and it will take you over to see how this is being done. I'm not ashamed of what I do. I am a gospel preacher, and I love making money. I didn't say I love money, but I know I love to use money because this is what it takes to make it in this life. You're going to have it's just like oxygen. You're going to need it to live. And that's about the extent of my video today. But check it out for yourself. See if you will like what you see. If you want to get involved, it's up to you. Just take a look at it. I am Marlon Carter, the elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye now.